Blessed day, my beloved brethren. Wherever you are right now, my prayer is, may the love and peace of God be with you all. I am Brother Je, your co-worker in the faith, and I'm so grateful to God and very excited to share to you our Bible devotion today. We can find our encouragement in the book of 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 17, and I will read it for you. Teach those who are rich in this world not to be proud and not to trust in their money, which is unreliable. Their trust should be in God, who richly gives us all we need for our enjoyment. This passage was extracted from the letter of Apostle Paul to his son in the faith named Timothy. The main theme of 1 Timothy chapter 6 is about obeying God and investing treasures in heaven. Apostle Paul emphasized in the letter the importance of our focus to God by pursuing righteousness, a godly life, along with faith, love, perseverance, and gentleness. He expressed his confidence that true godliness with contentment is itself great wealth. He is saying, if we have enough food and clothing, be contented. Be contented because the fact that we are children of the gracious God who supplies all our need according to His riches in glory, that we are fine. The truth of the matter is, after all, we brought nothing with us when we came into the world, and we can take anything with us when we leave it. So instead, consuming our time and life reaching these possessions and wealth, why not make ourselves busy in serving the Lord and His people to experience the true enjoyment? Finally, in the latter part of the letter, Apostle Paul instructed Timothy to teach these rich people not to be proud and too dependent to their wealth and possessions, but instead to put their trust in God and use their wealth in good works. My beloved brethren, keep looking unto the Lord Jesus, the author and the finisher of our faith. Don't mind the other things and the many things. If we will priority minding the works that will glorify God, surely God will take care of us. My additional prayer to you is, may God bless you abundantly and may His face shine upon you. God bless you, brethren.